Charu, I know you've done some research. Could you briefly give us some of those examples from that research in terms of those new opportunities, please?
Yeah, so I have spoken to some of my clients. So one in the manufacturing sector, one in the finance sector, and the third in the insurance sector. And all three companies have actually increased sales during the lockdown period. So very, very successful. So what contributed to their success? Three things emerge. The first is collaboration. So the CEO of a manufacturing company told me that they started a practice of a daily meeting of the sales team along with the other allied departments. So what this helped achieve was departments were they understood each other's problems. They were on the same page. If they had an issue, they could bring it to the table, and the issues were resolved in the shortest possible time. So this collaboration really translated into higher sales. The second was training and motivation of the sales force. So as Harpreet and even Vivek have mentioned, at the beginning of the lockdown, the mindset was, how can we sell? It's not possible. Sales have come to an end, right? So changing that mindset to sales can happen even in a virtual world was what these companies achieved through training, through motivation, and by showing great patience. So I think the leaders also played a very important, leaders and the learning and development departments, I think, played a very important role there. And the third, of course, was fine-tuning of processes and aligning with the virtual world and strengthening their digital platforms. That was the third thing that contributed to success.
Charu, thank you. I think what we're seeing in this pandemic has made all of us look at how we do things, and it's perhaps accelerated the changes that may have come anyway, regardless of its impact. But instead of being seen as a negative, we have turned that into an opportunity by looking at more innovation. Harpreet's view of saying, I learned how to use Zoom and I'm encouraging my team to use that as well.